Welcome to Jademond Talk, your sonic gateway to the Chinese digital realm. We don't just talk, we traverse the Great Wall of China's digital frontier, guided by SEO maestro Marcus Pensek and our CEO Kun Tang, the compass in this digital maze. Ready for a dive into China's digital secrets? Let's unpack today's topic.
Welcome back to the Jademond Talk podcast, where East meets West in the world of online marketing. I'm Kun.
And I'm Marcus. Today we're discussing a topic that might seem technical, but is crucial for anyone looking to target the Chinese market: the right domain strategy for Chinese SEO.
Exactly. Navigating the Chinese digital landscape can be tricky. And while you can rank well with various domain setups, a strategic plan considering local search engine preferences can provide that extra boost in rankings.
Kun, a question I encounter often is, why not use the global website for the Chinese audience? Isn't the World Wide Web, worldwide?
Great question, Marcus. Imagine serving an Italian pizza in Tokyo and expecting it to be as cherished as sushi. China, with its singular culture, language, and net usage, demands a specialized approach.
So it's more than just a language barrier. It's like about geographical nuances as well, right?
Precisely, recognizing whether your audience is in mainland China, Hong Kong, or Taiwan is pivotal. Each region, while connected by language, has its own linguistic intricacies.
Now let's decipher the enigma of Baidu. It's not merely the Chinese Google. It's a unique ecosystem with its own set of preferences.
One of Baidu's notable characteristics is its affinity for monolingual Chinese websites. If businesses can launch an exclusive Chinese website, they're already halfway through.
So I've heard that having Chinese TLD.cn or .com.cn could be beneficial. Not because of rankings, but more because of trust.
You hit the nail on the head. A Chinese TLD doesn't just appease search engines. It broadcasts a message loud and clear: I am authentically Chinese. It's akin to a business flaunting its local branch in a foreign country. It inherently instills trust and relatability.
But what about those who can't go for a separate domain or a Chinese TLD?
Alternatives always exist. First, if you can't go for a Chinese TLD, maybe a generic TLD, but adding a China to your domain like mydomain-china.com could be an idea. If that doesn't work either for you, if your website uses a universal domain like .com, carving out a Chinese subdomain can be transformative. Picture it as crafting a special VIP lounge within a bustling airport just for your Chinese guests.
But there's also the option of a country or language-specific folder, right? Isn't that preferred for international SEO with platforms like Google, since the domain's link power gets bundled and shared amongst all language folders?
Marcus, you've pinpointed a crucial difference. Indeed, for Google's SEO, the language folder is a favored strategy. It centralizes the domain's authority and efficiently distributes it across the various folders.
But I'm sensing you want to say, however,
when we pivot to China, this approach becomes the least favored. Imagine walking into a multi-cuisine restaurant where dishes from all around the world are served together. Though the variety is enticing, sometimes the distinct flavors might get overshadowed.
So language-specific folder in this case would mean a mix of languages on the same domain. That kind of sounds chaotic.
Exactly. It's akin to a cacophony of languages on the same subdomain. For the Chinese audience and for Baidu, it might feel overwhelming and less personalized. They seek that tailored experience which this setup might not always offer.
Kun, shifting our focus from mainland China for a bit, when brands aim to penetrate markets like Hong Kong or Taiwan, they have to align with Google's SEO preferences, correct?
That's right, Marcus. While Baidu holds the reins in mainland China, in regions like Hong Kong and Taiwan, it's Google that takes the lead. So naturally, our SEO strategy should cater to what Google prefers.
And from what I gather, Google's preferences lead towards a different domain structure than Baidu. Can you delve a bit deeper into that?
Of course, for Google's international SEO, using a folder structure is often recommended. This strategy centralizes the website's authority, ensuring that SEO benefits are spread consistently across different language or country folders.
So we're talking about setups like mydomain.com/HK for Hong Kong and mydomain.com/TW for Taiwan, being a better option for Google's SEO?
Precisely. This configuration not only maintains a cohesive structure under the primary domain, but it also ensures that the SEO strength of the overarching domain benefits these subfolders. Imagine a tree where the main trunk distributes nutrients efficiently to all its branches.
Makes sense. So the link equity, or as some call it, link juice, circulates seamlessly within these folders?
Exactly. Each folder, whether it's /HK/ for Hong Kong or /W/ for Taiwan, benefits from the domain's overall authority and link strength. It's an optimal structure for regions where Google dominates, such as Hong Kong and Taiwan.
So Kun, given all this information, if an international brand wants to target Chinese speakers across mainland China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan, what's our top recommendation? What does the ultimate domain strategy look like?
Great question, Marcus. Let's break it down region by region for clarity. Mainland China, go with a local TLD. A domain like mybrand.com.cn will speak directly to mainland Chinese audiences. It's akin to having a storefront sign in Mandarin, signaling you're serious about catering to them.
Got it. A local TLD for that authentic connection with mainland China. What about Hong Kong and Taiwan?
For both Hong Kong and Taiwan, since Google is the dominant search engine, Hong Kong, use a country folder under your main domain like mydomain.com/HK/ This gives a tailored experience for the Hong Kong audience while benefiting from the domain's overall SEO strength. Taiwan, similarly, adopt a country folder like mydomain.com/TW/. It provides a localized touch for Taiwanese users while harnessing the domain's accumulated link equity.
So in essence, we have a blend. A dedicated Chinese TLD for mainland China and specific country folders for Hong Kong and Taiwan under the primary domain. Seems like a balanced and powerful strategy.
Exactly, Marcus. It's about understanding each region's nuances and catering to them while maximizing SEO benefits. This strategy ensures a robust online presence across all Chinese-speaking territories.
Brilliant! That sounds like a winning approach for any brand looking to make significant inroads in these regions. Thanks for laying it out so clearly, Kun.
My pleasure, Marcus. Remember, the key is to understand and respect each region's nuances. That's when true digital success happens in the Chinese landscape.
Wise words. To our listeners, thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep diving deep into the digital world of SEO.
Goodbye, everyone.
And that wraps up another enlightening episode of Jademond Talk. Thanks for joining us on this digital journey. If you're looking to set your compass towards China's digital horizon, remember, Marcus, Kun, and all of us here at Jademond Digital have got your back. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.